Hey there. If you're thinking about buying a home, getting pre approved for a mortgage is one of the smartest moves you can make early on. Not only does it show sellers you're serious, but it also gives you a clear idea of your price range. But let's be honest, it can feel like a paperwork scavenger hunt. So today, I'm going to break down exactly what you need to gather for mortgage pre approval based on the type of loan you're applying for. Whether you're going conventional, FHA, VA, or USDA, I've got you covered. Let's start with the most common option, a conventional loan. If you're a W 2 employee with a regular paycheck, here's what you'll need: a government issued ID, your last 30 days of pay stubs, the last 2 years of W 2s and tax returns, statements for all bank, investment, and retirement accounts. And if someone's helping you with the down payment, you'll need a gift letter too. If you've had late payments or collections in the past, a short letter explaining the situation is also important. Now, if you're applying for an FHA loan, the list looks pretty similar, but may require a bit more detail. Same ID, income, and account documentation, plus your last 2 years of tax returns and W-2s or 1099s if you're not a traditional employee. If you've sold a home before, you'll need the closing disclosure. And again, be ready with any landlord history or documentation of additional income. Buying an investment property? Be prepared to show that you're financially stable. In addition to the usual items, you'll need recent mortgage statements and insurance proof for all properties you own, current leases if you're already a landlord, and settlement statements from any recent property sales. Lenders want to see that you're managing your properties responsibly. If you're self-employed or own a business, you'll have a few extra layers. You'll still need your ID and account statements, but instead of pay stubs, you want to bring 2 years of personal and business tax returns, include 1099s if you have them, and lenders may ask for profit and loss statements, a balance sheet, and even your business license. It's a bit more paperwork, but totally doable. For those applying for a VA loan, thank you for your service. You'll follow most of the same guidelines, plus a certificate of eligibility from the VA. Depending on your situation, that might require a DD-214, a statement of service, or other documentation. Be sure to gather those VA-specific forms early on to avoid delays. Going rural with a USDA loan? You'll need the usual identification, income, and bank statements, and several USDA-specific forms like the Uniform Residential Loan Application and an Employment and Asset Certification. If you have children under 12 or household members with medical expenses, be ready to document those too. It's a bit more extensive, but these loans can offer great benefits for qualifying areas. And finally, if you're applying through a job-based incentive loan like Good Neighbors Next Door for teachers, firefighters, or law enforcement, most of the required documents are the same. But you'll also need to meet specific employment verification requirements tied to the program you're applying for. So double check the details with your lender. Whew, I know that's a lot. But the good news is, once you've gathered these documents for pre-approval, you'll already be ahead of the game when it's time to officially apply for your mortgage. To make it easier, I've put together a simple, downloadable checklist that breaks down the documents you'll need based on the type of loan you're going for. You can grab it using the link in the description below. And of course, if you're not sure which loan program might be the best fit, or you need help getting started, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate tips and home buying advice. Until next time, take care and happy house hunting.